Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Today we will talk about warehousing module day 4 assessment. This assessment is related to Flipkart Supply Chain Operations Academy training and internship program. So in this video we will be answering the questions of this assessment. So let's get started. Guys, as you can see, Flipkart SEO day 4 7 days module. Warehousing module day 4 assessment is written over here. Now we will click on 3 dot retake assessment. Now you can see over here warehousing module day 4 assessment and minimum passing criteria is 60%. So we will click on start new. It will take some time to open. You can see warehousing module day 4. Now start section. Now you can see the first question is, what is the purpose of primary sorting in Mother Hub? Answer of this question will be to sort shipments station wise. Okay guys, now click on continue. You can see this is a correct answer. Continue. Second question is, how many operations activities are there in the last mile delivery or city logistics? 5, 2, 3 or 4. So guys, there are 3 operation activities are there in the last mile delivery or city logistics. So click on 3. Now continue. You can see good is written over here. This is a correct answer. Continue. Next question is, how many operational activities are there in the inbound process of fulfillment center? Answer of this question will be 4. So now click on continue. This is an incorrect answer. Okay guys, now you can answer this question. Continue. What is the inbound operation? Storing process of any product, inwarding process of any product, outwarding process of any product, manufacturing process of any product. The answer of this question will be inwarding process of any product. So now continue. This is a correct answer. Continue. How many activities does the entire inbound process comprise of? Answer of this question will be 8. Continue. So this is a correct answer. Continue. Next question is, which is the first operational activity in the inbound process of fulfillment center? Receiving, invoice, receipt note or IRN submission, quality check or QC, invoice sanity check or ISC. So guys, answer of this question will be invoice sanity check or ISC. Continue. So this is a correct answer. Now we will continue. Next question is, what does STN stand for? Full form of STN is stock transfer note. Okay guys, continue. This is a correct answer. Now we will continue. Next question is, what is the height of consignment on the pallet for normal items during unloading? So guys, answer of this question will be 4 feet. Continue. This is a correct answer. Now we will continue. Next question is, what are the 3 major parts in the non-large division of e-commerce? Fulfillment center, Mother Hub, last mile delivery or city logistics? None of the above. Warehouse, sorting center, transit center, inbound, outbound, returns. Answer of this question will be option A, fulfillment center, Mother Hub, last mile delivery or city logistics. Continue. This is the correct answer. You can see. Continue. Last question is, what is the next step after the invoice sanity check pass? Segregation, invoice receipt note creation, unloading, token approval and dock allocation. So guys, after passing sanity check, next step is creation of IRN. So answer of this question will be invoice receipt, not creation. Option B. Submit. This is a correct answer. Now continue. Now we will submit this assessment. Click OK. Now you can see score. So click over here. So our score is 90%. The minimum score of passing this assessment was 60%. So we have qualified this assessment with 90% score. Now download certificate. Click on download now. Guys, you can see certificate of completion, Flipkart SEO day 4. Guys, hope this video will help you a lot in answering the questions of this assessment. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you very much.